Hey doodlers or wannabe doodlers or still on the fence thinking about becoming doodlers. If you use Doodly program, you probably already know this. However, if you're brand new or if you are thinking about possibly purchasing Doodly and wondering if it's going to be worth it for you, I just wanted to show you something real quick. So I wanted you guys to know that once you actually purchase Doodly, they are constantly updating it. Okay, so it's not like you just purchase the program and what you get is what you get. They are always adding things, improving things, fixing things, whatever it is. So, and I just wanted to show you how this works. So I just signed into Doodly and I had opened it up, and what happens is it takes a little minute or so, and then this tends to pop up. It's an update. And in whatever version they are telling you about, they'll tell you what they are either improving or fixing or whatever. So in this case, here, and this is brand new, you can see now it's allowing users to use the undo, redo, cut, copy, and paste, and select all the functions in the edit menu and add the ability to select all assets on the canvas. Another improvement, the add video tutorials item inside with the help menu, fix minor bugs and improvements. And you see how tiny this is, which means there have been quite a few of these, okay? And you'll be able to see, like, if you wanted to take the time to scroll down, you'd be able to see all of the different improvements that they've made. I mean, I've had this program for, I want to say about 14 months now, something to that effect. And they're constantly doing things. I mean, even this entire board looks different than what I had first gotten, okay? So I really just wanted to show you guys that if you are thinking of perhaps grabbing this program, they're not going to just sit around and leave you to work with what they have and be happy with what you got. So, and you can always go to doodly.com, I believe it is, and you'll find if you are if you have already purchased this program, they are always taking suggestions, and you can even find out whether or not they've already been completed or if they're considering it or if it's in the works, that kind of thing. So again, when you purchase Doodly, they are constantly updating, adding, fixing everything. All right. And I have seen a vast number of changes and improvements and different fixes as time has gone on. Okay, so they do listen to you guys. They listen to me, they listen to all of us, and they are constantly at work fixing things. All right. And like I said, adding things. So you just look at all of this, you would apply the update, and that's it. All right. And then you just re-agree to all of that, and you are back on your page. Okay, ready to start a new video. Guys, I just wanted you to see that. I hope this helps to clear things up. I personally think it's a great program. I've had a lot of fun using it, and I've definitely had a lot of fun putting these little tutorials together. All right, my name is Dana, and if you like these videos, check out my other tutorials. I will make sure they are in the description box. And until next time, take care.